Hey all, Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to be swapping out the battery in my daughter's 2007 Pontiac G5. Let's get into it. Something that surprised me is the battery's not actually under the hood, it's under the trunk. So if you open up your driver's side door, open up this little hatch here, and you can press the trunk button. If you are out of power, you will need to manually open the trunk with the key. My daughter's got a bunch of junk in her trunk, so we will clean that out. You lift open this cardboard flap, and there's the battery in the back. You can see the negative terminal on the left and the positive terminal on the right. In order to remove the plastic red positive, just squeeze, pinch the plastic tabs, and that'll open up and expose the bolts. You're looking to have a 10 millimeter wrench or a 10 millimeter socket to remove those. So you just want to break them loose. The idea here is to loosen up those two nuts, and then you can take the posts and the clamps from the batteries, kind of wiggle it back and forth. So I just grabbed my 10 millimeter socket, and I'm going to break both of the bolts loose, and then the positive and negative terminals should pop right off. If you're having trouble, just make sure the nuts are loose and you keep wiggling. It'll eventually come off. Next, you'll need to remove this bolt here in the back. It's holding a strap that's securing the battery. It's a 13 millimeter. I used my socket. Just loosen that bolt up, and then the strap should come off. Now you can go ahead and remove your battery. Make sure you take your battery into the vendor that you're going to trade it in with. You'll get a $20 refund from the core charge. Also, shop around. Here in the Midwest, we have a place called O'Reilly's. They were wanting as much as like $250, $280 for a battery. Walmart sold the same battery for $170. Either way, talk to the vendor, get the correct battery for your make and model, and then just reverse the steps to reinstall it. Check out another video over here. I've got links to Amazon down in the description. If you want to do some battery shopping, check the prices, check that out. Appreciate it. No extra cost to you. You can throw a couple pennies at me. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.